I wanted to briefly review some important parts of the syllabus with you. I'm going to start with the course and instructor information. So again, my name is Taryn Krazan, and I'm your instructor for this course. You can call me Taryn, or you can call me Dr. K. I understand Krazan is kind of a hard name to read and pronounce. This is a 100% asynchronous course, which means you'll be working on your own and online with your peers to complete the module information. We will have weekly Zoom meetings that are voluntary, which is mostly a question and answer kind of format, and some weeks I may cover certain topics. I encourage you to attend these. It will help alleviate some questions you may have, but I will also post recordings of them. You will see my contact information here, my email address, and my cell phone number if you need to get a hold of me. In general, I would like you to post general questions in the Ask and Answer forum in the discussion board. You can email me directly with questions that are specific to yourself, or feel free to call me or text me if you have urgent issues. I'm happy to talk with you. The next part of the syllabus is COVID information, which really applies more to people attending school on campus, which is not our class. And a brief bit about this course is it is educational measurement and program evaluation. We're going to talk about the procedures and issues involved in these. We're going to be looking at the educational setting specifically, and it's expected that you will spend 2 hours of study time outside of class for every 1 hour of contact time. This is a 3-unit class, and so that is, you can expect to spend about 9 hours a week on this course. As a prerequisite, you should have completed the Educational Statistics course, ERE 153.